Okay, you guys, this story is called Fishbowl, and I call it that because it was this incident about 2 years ago. Me and my friend, we were, we just gotten over playing the whole day, and we were really tired, so we go to lay down. She was at one end of the bed, and I was at the other, and we were sleeping. Then all of a sudden, we heard this kind of scratchy, creepy sound like that, and I was like, did you hear that? And she goes, shut up, you're freaking me out. And I was like, God. And then I heard it again, and I was like, did you hear that? She goes, shut up, it's not funny. And then I heard it again, and I was like, come on, you heard that? And she's like, it's probably just the wind. So then it did it again, and I went, Mama! And she got so freaked out, and she started kicking me, and she's like, that's not funny. So then we sat up, and she was like really mad at me. She's like yelling at me. She's like, don't do that again. And then we heard it again, and I was like, come on, you heard it that time, and you know I didn't do it. So then she was like, okay, fine, I believe you. So then we started looking around the room, and we're like, what the heck is the noise? And then we bent down on the ground, and we knew it was coming from the floor somewhere. So we were looking around, and we hear it's coming from underneath her table. And so we lift up the sheet under the table, and her cat is having kittens, and it is so gross. And then so we have to clear off the table to get the cats out. So we put her television set on the bed, and then I grabbed the fishbowl, and she said, set it on the floor. So I go to set the fishbowl on the floor, and it tips over, and water falls out, and only like this much of the water fell out of the fishbowl. And her fishbowl was big, like this big, and it was shaped like a bubblegum thing. Anyways, so the water falls out, and so I lift it up real quick, and she starts yelling at me. She's like, God, can't you do something right? And she's just blah blah blah, blah blah blah, stupid, blah blah blah, my fish, blah blah blah. And then she goes, alright, fine, well, is the fish in there? I was like, yeah, no. So then we have to go look around for the fish, and we're looking, and then the air vent comes on, and she looked at me. I was like, no. And we looked down the air vent. Sure enough, there is her fish, Fred, in the air vent. So we pull him out, we put him in the water. He starts swimming around a little bit, and she looks at me and she goes, if he dies, I'm going to kill you. And I was like, okay. So he didn't die. I'm still alive, but he actually did pass away a couple months ago. And she looked at me and she said, he would have lived another 10 years if you hadn't dropped him down that air vent last year. I was like, sorry. And then so she wanted to have a little funeral for him because she had him for 4 years. So she put him in the freezer so that he could wait there till her boyfriend got home. It was so funny. Alright, that's Fishbowl. I hope